Sticky traps glue boards are a low-cost, effective way to monitor and capture roaches, spiders, and rodents during early detection. Use flat glue boards for crawling insects and larger glue boards or tamper-proof boxes for rodents where legal, placing them along baseboards, under sinks, behind refrigerators, and near appliance legs where pests travel. For rodents, position glue boards perpendicular to walls with the long edge against the travel path, so rodents cross the trap. For insects, orient boards parallel to walls or in corner angles to maximize surface contact. Replace glue boards regularly, typically every 7 to 14 days or sooner if they become dusty or covered with debris, because loss of tackiness reduces effectiveness and can lead to false negatives. Combine glue board monitoring with sanitation by removing food residues, sealing food in tight containers, and reducing clutter to lower harborages and food sources that attract pests. Use exclusion techniques such as sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch with appropriate materials, installing door sweeps, and repairing torn screens to reduce new intrusions. Handle and dispose of used glue boards according to local waste regulations, and wear gloves when touching traps to avoid transferring oils that reduce stickiness or leaving human scent that can deter rodents. Common mistakes include placing traps in open room centers where pests do not travel, so move traps to edges and behind appliances to increase catches. Not checking traps often enough, which allows decomposing captures to attract other pests, so inspect and replace weekly. And using glue boards as the only measure which can give a false sense of control. So always pair monitoring with sanitation and exclusion, and pursue professional help if captures increase rapidly. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare services related to pest control and other home projects. Our community discussion forums let us and other members share experiences, ask questions, and recommend local providers, while contractors use our site to find work and connect with potential clients.